everyone. So this is my video presentation, a self-introduction Petrikucha presentation entitled About Me. My name is Joyce B. Sambahon, 18 years of age, born on March 18, 2006, live in Zone 5, Bulo Norte, Sibukot, Camarines Sur. I am an extrovert but sometimes introvert person. I'm also kind and a responsible ate. And mostly, I'm a good friend. Let me introduce you my family. We're we're in six in the family, and we have two other brother and sister. Like my mother and father adopt them. So in the biological siblings, I'm the first daughter of Christy B. Sambahon and Jolan and Sambahon. This is Ate Ellie and Kuya Bernard. Ate Ellie is now a registered nurse and my kuya is taking the Bachelor in Science, major in English. I studied in Paracale Central School in Paracale, Camarines Norte. This is where I started my study, and after that, year 2018, I graduated and got the award of Athletic Award and also with honor. This is the time that I started my career as a volleyball player, and I got the chance to be one of the player that will represent my school and my hometown. This is the Palarong Bicol 2018. We transfer here at Camarines Sur and I continue my study in Bolac Norte High School year 2018. And this school now is Bolac Norte National High School. And after that, I graduate year 2022, got the award of the Athletic Award in the KTLA or the King Thomas Learning Academy Incorporated. In this school, I continue my study and also I continue my playing career. In my grade 11, I received the award of with honors, and when I graduated, I also got the award of academic excellences with honor. Now here is my team and the time when we play in Palarong Sur year 2022 and 2024. I was the team captain back then, year 2022, and we got the third place in Palarong Sur. And year 2024, we also participated at Palarong Sur. Now, the KTLA is the defending champion in Upside Division meet. After that, my college year, I study here at the Central Bicol State University of Agriculture, CBSUA Sipokot, taking the Bachelor in Science in Environmental Science. This is my favorite girlies, my trio. This is Charmaine, Mindiville, and also Nancy Oliveros and here is my senior high besties since my grade 11. This one is Kim Nicole Hernandez, Hail Pialago, and Giselle Olili. Kim is now taking the civil engineering course at UP and also Hail is studying here, same university in Bicol Central, taking the educational course. And JJ is taking the also a civil engineering course at the State College in Camarines Norte. This two-person is my one call away friend. I'm so lucky to have these two. This one is Louis Barbosa And also my sister friend, Evangeline Valenzuela, might to know my hobbies. My hobbies is playing volleyball, watching K-drama and movies, sleeping, cooking, and I also like to try new things. Is my favorite singer and bands. This is famous singer Moira de la Torre and also DJ, and my band is favorite band is SB19. The member is Ken Suson, Justin De Jos, Pablo, Stel, and Josh. This one is the Victory Worship, my favorite Christian band. And now, my motto in life: the secret is not to chase butterflies, but to take care of the garden so they'll come to you. So now, this is the end of my video presentation. I hope you like it, and thank you so much.